Still relying on manual and paper process for operators to record and verify batches when weighing out materials? Are you struggling with accuracy in the production process? Hi, I'm Michael Jewson. I'm a senior solution architect at Engineering Industries Excellence. I've helped manufacturers in all industries roll out digital manufacturing in complex and regulated environments. One recurring challenge we see is ensuring that operators on the shop floor are using the correct equipment and materials, as well as properly recording this information. The weigh and dispense accuracy of materials used and consumption is critical for product conformance and performance to meet FDA and other regulatory requirements. In one of our projects, we leveraged the SAP Digital Manufacturing Weigh and Dispense module to ensure that operators were able to select the correct material and batch properly, as well as utilize machine integration to read values directly from the scales rather than the operators having to handwrite the information down on a piece of paper, which could get damaged or lost. The result was 100% accuracy of the material usage and consumption. Here, we will show from the operator's perspective of the Production Operator Dashboard, or POD, that contains the shop order awaiting to consume materials at a phase in the process. The operator will then select the Material Consumption tab and then the Weigh selection. Within this pop-up, the operator is now shown what material is required. They will now select the batch of that material to be used. Here, there are two batches to be used, A and Y. We'll select it first. Next, the operator will select the scale in which they want to measure out the material. Here, the machine integration will then pull data directly from the scale. And as you can see, when I select the scale and update the values, SAP DM updates accordingly. Once the weight of the batch material is weighed on the scale, the operator presses the confirm. You will now see that half of that quantity has been allocated. The operator can also select a different batch. We will select the A. Selecting the scale, and we can now see that that scale has been set to 40 with the weight. Once that has been allocated, we'll press the confirm button. And because that additional batch material has been added, it will now be recorded in the electronic batch record or device history record. Once they press confirm, we can now see that the total weight of the material is now correct. One thing I always recommend is to leverage technology to eliminate mistakes caused by the paper process and manual keyboard entry, utilizing integration to shop floor machines and tools. This will help provide accurate data, which will ensure regulatory compliance and increase efficiency in delivering quality product. That's a quick take from the field. Follow us for more insights from our engineering index experts.